You are looking at something that should not exist, but somehow it does. And it is the most intimidating thing to ever roll through a parking garage. This is the 2026 Land Rover. Defender reimagined as a fully wide-body pickup truck. Built so dark and so aggressive it looks like it escaped from a movie set. Welcome back to 77 Motors, and today we are going deep on every single detail of this beast. From the outside, this build is pure psychological warfare. The entire body is wrapped in a stealth matte, dark gray finish that swallows light rather than reflecting it. The wide-body kit is enormous. Flared fenders, pushed out aggressively on all four corners, giving this truck a stance so wide and so low it barely looks real. The front carries the iconic Defender circular halo headlights, now glowing with crisp LED rings surrounded by a blacked-out aggressive front splitter and an intercooler style front bumper opening. The hood has a massive power bulge sitting right in the center, hinting at something serious underneath. The side profile shows stacked side vents cut into the rear quarters, a drop suspension, and massive multi-spoke mesh wheels and gunmetal that fill every inch of those wide arches. At the rear, quad exhaust tips sit tucked under a custom rear diffuser, and those stacked square LED taillights glow red like hot coals. The open truck bed is finished with a roll bar that ties the whole aggressive look together beautifully. Inside, the cabin is a carbon fiber masterpiece. Nearly every surface, the dashboard, door cards, center console, and steering wheel spokes, is wrapped in real carbon fiber weave. The flat-bottom three-spoke steering wheel carries a bold logo at the center, and it is wrapped in black Alcantara with a red accent stripe at the top. The sport bucket seats are stitched in black and red with diamond quilting, and red ambient lighting glows from underneath the dash and center console, giving the whole cabin a sinister after-dark feel. The infotainment screen sits embedded cleanly in the carbon dash, and a short-throw manual gear shifter rises from a carbon center console. This is a cabin built for someone who means business. Under that bulging hood, this custom build is believed to be running a supercharged V8 producing upward of 650 horsepower, mated to either a 6-speed manual or an automatic transmission, with a full custom suspension setup dropping it dramatically from the factory ride height. The result is a truck that looks slammed enough to scrape but still carries that Defender DNA of raw, unstoppable presence. Pricing for a full custom build like this starts at around $200,000 and can exceed $300,000, depending on the builder and the spec level. This is not for everyone. This is for the person who walks into a room and every head turns. Like and subscribe to 77 Motors because we are just getting started.